Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to configure Huawei router as Wi-Fi extender. Let's go. Open router settings. One nine two dot 168.3.1. Select your language. Enter your admin password. Sign in. More functions. Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi repeater. Enable. Next. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter password. Next. Done. That's it. Now you know how to configure Huawei router as Wi-Fi extender. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.